To calculate the lux level or the lumens output for this passage area, we need to find out that how much luminous we require. For example, I have taken the 9 luminous in a normal and 9 numbers, that is the emergency luminous I will take. For that, I will calculate the number of luminous, that is 18 numbers of luminous. 9 numbers is the normal and 9 numbers in the emergency. So 18 numbers of luminous will be there. And here, the same calculation, the area (65.2). I have already mentioned the area. The lux level required for the passage is around 200 lx. So I have mentioned over here, maintenance factor is 0.7, utilization factor is 0.6. So, and the lumens output we need to find out. So by this formula, here it is put 18. So 18 into 0.7 into 0.6, that is 7.56, and here 13,040 by this multiplication. So 7.56, 13,040 divided by 7.56, that is around 1,724. So it is approximately 1,725. So this is the lumens output for the passage area. So we need to find out the LED light accordingly. For example, here is the nearby 1600 is the lumens output, which is nearby 1725. So I will put, if I want to choose the LED downlight, so I will put 16 to 18 watt LED required for that area. So from here, I will start by the 900 mm from here and put the central line over here. Into this center line, firstly I will mention this LED. For that, firstly we mention 16 to 18 watt LED. So here I have changed the legend for 16 to 18 watt LED downlight. The die will be the same, that is 150 mm. So I will put this LED into the passage like this. Again I will to put same 16 by 18 but for emergency. Here I will put the emergency. So one is alternate emergency divided into the 18 numbers. So here I have mentioned some emergency as well as the normal LED lighting of 16 watt emergency LED downlight and 16 watt LED downlight. Here it is I want to mention. The LED downlight. From here I want to put the emergency light like this. So alternate one emergency light, one normal light I am putting into this passage area